Don't skip this video.
Do you want to speak English confidently?
Today, we are going on a fun family picnic.
And you are coming with us.
In this video, you will learn simple and easy English conversation.
No difficult grammar.
No hard words, just real-life English for beginners.
So get ready, speak with us, and improve your English step by step. Let's start!
Good morning, everyone. Are you ready for our picnic today?
Good morning, Mom. Yes, I am very excited. What time are we leaving?
We will leave in 10 minutes. Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, Dad. I am completely ready. Mom, what should I take with me?
You can take your small water bottle. Did you wear your shoes properly?
Yes, Mom. Look at my pink hat. Do I look nice?
You look very cute. Are you feeling happy?
Yes, I am very happy today.
Did we pack everything? Sandwiches, fruits, juice, and chips?
Yes, everything is packed carefully.
Dad, can I carry the picnic basket?
It is a little heavy. Can you carry the football instead?
Okay, everyone. Shall we lock the door and go?
Yes, let's go!
Is everyone inside the car?
Children, are you wearing your seatbelts?
Yes, Mom. My seatbelt is fastened. Mom, how long will it take to reach the park?
It will take around 20 minutes. Are you comfortable?
Yes, Dad. Can we listen to some music?
Yes, but not too loud, okay?
Look outside. The trees are moving so fast, aren't they?
Yes, because the car is moving fast. Do you like the weather today?
Yes, the sky is so blue. Is it going to rain?
The weather looks clear. Perfect for a picnic, right?
Yes, it is a wonderful day.
I can't wait to eat the strawberries.
We'll be there soon, sweetie.
Mom, I feel a little hungry. Can I eat something now?
We just started the trip. Can you wait a little?
Dad, are we lost?
No, we are not lost. Why do you think that?
Because I don't see the park yet.
Be patient. We are almost there.
Look, children. Can you see the big lake ahead?
Yes! Is that the park?
Yes, that is the park. Are you excited now?
Yes! We are very excited!
We are here. Shall we get out of the car? Open the doors slowly. Be careful, okay?
Wow! The park is so big! Can I run?
Yes, but don't go too far. Stay near us.
Let's spread the picnic mat. Can you help me?
Yes, Mom. Where should I put the basket?
Put it in the middle.
Mom, can I open the juice bottle?
Yes, but open it slowly.
This place is very peaceful. Do you like it?
Yes, Dad. I love this place. Can we come here again next week?
Maybe. If everyone behaves well, we will come again.
Are you all happy today?
Yes! We are very happy!
Okay, everyone, let's start eating. These sandwiches are very tasty.
I made them fresh this morning.
The fruit is sweet and juicy.
Eating outside feels so nice.
Yes, I love spending time with family.
Dad, can we come here every Sunday?
Maybe not every Sunday, but we will come again soon.
Dad, can we start playing football now?
Yes, we can. Are you ready?
Yes! Can you pass the ball to me?
Of course. Are you watching carefully?
I got it! Yes, Dad. Kick it slowly, okay?
Okay, here it comes.
Mom, can I play too?
Yes, why not? Do you want to kick the ball?
Dad, can we make 2 teams?
Sure. Who will be on my team?
I want to be on your team, Dad. Mom, can we fly the kite now?
Yes, the wind is perfect. Are you holding the string tightly?
Yes, Mom. Is the kite going up? Wow, it is going higher and higher.
Do you need help?
Yes, Dad. Can you hold it for a moment?
Sure. Now pull it gently.
It looks so beautiful in the sky, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. Are you enjoying the picnic?
Yes, this is the best picnic ever.
Are you feeling tired now?
A little, Mom. Can I sit beside you?
Yes, come and sit. Do you want some water?
Yes, please. Thank you, Mom.
Son, did you have fun today?
Yes, Dad. This is the best day. Can we come again next Sunday?
Maybe. If everyone finishes homework on time, shall we come again?
Yes. I will finish my homework early. That sounds good, right?
Absolutely. That's a great plan.
Yay! Picnic time! Mom, why do we come for picnics?
We come to spend time together. Do you like spending time with family?
Yes, I love it.
Family time is very important. Do you understand that?
Yes, Dad. When we are together, we feel happy.
That is true. Happiness grows when we share it.
It is getting late now. Should we start packing our things?
Yes, the sun is going down. Can you see the sky?
Yes, the sky looks orange and beautiful, doesn't it? Can we stay a little longer?
We will come again soon. For now, let's pack everything, okay?
Son, can you fold the picnic mat?
Daughter, can you collect the empty bottles?
Yes, Dad. Should I throw them in the dustbin?
Yes, always keep the park clean, right?
Yes, we should not leave garbage here. I am proud of you both.
Mom, I feel a little tired. Can you hold my hand?
Of course. Are you happy today?
Yes, I am very happy. Dad, did you enjoy the picnic too?
I did. It was perfect. What was your favorite part?
Playing football. What about you? Flying the kite.
My favorite part was seeing all of you smile. Is everyone inside the car?
Did you enjoy the picnic?
Yes, it was amazing.
Shall we come again next month?
Yes, please. Next time, can we bring ice cream too?
That sounds like a good idea, doesn't it?
Okay then, let's go home safely.
Family time is very special. A simple picnic can bring big happiness. Spending time together makes our bond stronger. Love, laughter, and small moments create beautiful memories.
Simple moments with family bring true happiness. A day full of laughter becomes a memory for life.
Spending time together makes our bond stronger.
Today, we learned simple English at a picnic. Practice these sentences daily. Don't be afraid to speak.
Subscribe for more easy English conversations. See you in the next video.